to our Neuro Leadership Conference. I'm Kathleen, and today we have a wonderful lineup of speakers for you. At 10:30 we'll be having Casey, who'll be talking about neuroscience and neuroscience of decision making, and then Prof. Leonard after tea break on EQ and building resilience and stress management, and then we will have Safura, and she will deliver the session on NLP and leadership.
Good morning. I am excited to be here. I think this is a topic that really touches my heart because if you think about it, everything in our life starts with our thinking. Whether we are happy, we are rich, we are healthy, it all starts with our thinking. What do we believe? What do we choose? What do we decide? Common sense says only money. A patient inside an MRI, and I can see how the brain works. And